guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Luxbox. And actually the box has gone through change because this whole thing, see my face, is actually mirrored in here. It's like a glossy box now instead of like a matte. So let's just open it up. There we go, nothing in the lid. And we've got the little booklet. This box is, by the way, the September/October box. This box only comes once every 2 months. And this is the inside of this 2-month box. Okay, so I see 2 products right off the bat from Garnier, which I'm actually gonna take out. And I believe we have a gift voucher down here. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. But I see 2 products from Garnier. So let's start with this fella. And this is a polishing cognac botanical cleansing sponge. Deeply cleanses and gently exfoliates skin. 100% natural cognac root fiber. Wet the sponge before use for all skin types. It's grown in Asian highlands. Okay. So this is what that fella looks like. And for all the people that don't know yet, like Garnier has this whole natural line, which I'm very, very excited about. I love it when these bigger brands start focusing more on nature. I'm not a hippie. I'm so far from an environmentalist. Is that what it's called? I'm so far away from that. I'm not Miss Perfect. I'm not vegan. I'm not a minimalist by far. But I do try and do my share where and whenever possible. So I do, what I did right now, maybe it's a fun thing to say. Once again, I'm not vegan, I'm not plant-based, I'm not claiming to be anything because I have flaws. I use water like crazy. I'm not really very environmentally friendly with that. But what I do try and, you know, kind of portray in my house right now is all of my cleaning products, like all of the bleaches and hand soap and all of the things that basically go into the water. I'm trying to get eco-friendly stuff, so no more like harsh bleach in my house. Vinegar I do like to use, but that's like a natural product. I'm trying to focus more on the environment and also my own health, actually, because a lot of chemicals are like, you know, bad for your health to breathe them in. So I'm trying to reduce that kind of footprint that I have, and I'm trying to get all cleaning supplies that are completely natural and not harmful for the environment. So I'm really excited, long story short, about big brands like this trying to, you know, kind of focus more on natural products, because we don't need chemicals. All, like, humans, everything we need is already in nature. We wouldn't be created that way. I'm not saying by God or anything, but just in general, everything in nature balances out. So all the things we need are found in nature. We don't need harsh chemicals or plastic or whatever. Well, sometimes we kind of need plastic, but still everything that we really need, you know, can be found in nature. Long story short. Anyway, I like this polishing cognac sponge, and I think I'm gonna give this as like a little Sinterklaas present to somebody. Wow, it's very windy outside. Let's see. It is over here. It's the Garnier Bio Cognac Sponge. It's a full size and it costs €8.99. So let's move on to the other Garnier Bio product, which is this. And this is the Lemongrass Detox Cleansing Gel from Sri Lanka. And this is for normal to combination skin. Dang it, I am a dry skin, so this is not for me. Did I just spit on you guys? Holy shit, sorry. This is what that looks like, and I'm definitely gonna combine the two and put this in a Sinterklaas present for a special someone. This is the Garnier Bio Lemongrass Detox Cleanser, mouthful. It's a full size and it costs €7.99. Okay, moving on to a toothpaste that I see from Colgate. I will honestly say we've tried out a lot of these Colgate toothpaste that we received in this box, and I'm not the biggest fan. My number one is still the green Elmex, and the, again, I have no idea what it's called in America, but over here in Europe, it's Pro Glasure, that one of Sensodyne. It's amazing. But this is yet another toothpaste, and of course I'm going to try it out. This is the Colgate Max White with carbon active, what? I think it's got like charcoal stuff in here. Everybody's like on this charcoal thing. But you know what? Maybe I'm actually going to give this as a present to someone. Because there is like this whole, yeah, active charcoal. See? There's this whole charcoal trend going on right now. And, you know, I tried out that charcoal toothpaste, and I don't know if it's that safe for you to use on your teeth. I don't know. My teeth kind of got sensitive when I used it too much. So, I don't know. You do you. But I think I'm going to give this away as a Santa Claus present as well to a special someone, because my sister loves this. So, the Colgate Max White Charcoal Toothpaste, it's a full size and it costs €4.99. Okay, so far I'm not keeping anything. There is something, oh my god, no. There is something from Mutmaski in here that we already received recently in another box, and this is the Hair Mask Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo 3-in-1 formula. I actually did an empties on this as well. I'm going to still use this because I have this clearly and I kind of need it, but it is not that great. This is like tops 2 uses for me, and that is that. So yeah, let's just see where it is in the booklet. It's on the back, and it is the Mutmaski Hair Mask Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo 3-in-1. It's a full size, and it costs a redonkulous €29, $30 for 2 uses. Like, hell to the no. Okay, just save your money. This is just crap. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna say it. I love Mutmaski, but this particular item, hell to the no for that price. No, I'm sorry, it's just not fair. Let's move on to, what is this? This is from Optimals, and it is the exfoliating face scrub. Oh, okay, for all skin types from Oriflame. And this is what that sucker looks like. Holy cow, like I'm noticing right now that my hands are like completely shaking, and that is the reason that I just drank an energy drink and I had a gastric bypass, so y'all know what that means. Every single thing coming in my body goes straight into my bloodline, and I feel bloodline. Wow, bloodline really goes into my blood. That's what I wanted to say. Like insulin comes later. Long story. Anyway, for the people who also had a gastric bypass, y'all know what I'm talking about. And when you drink energy drinks or very caffeinated, wow, I can't speak. When you drink like caffeinated drinks, I still didn't pronounce that right, but okay. Let me put it this way. When you drink drinks that have a lot of caffeine in it, hey, Blondie, it goes straight into your blood and you're like, brrr. So, excuse me, but we're not talking about that today. No, we're not. I can literally like feel my heart beating. I sure as hell can't use this again because, Okay, the Oriflame Optimals Exfoliating Face Scrub is a full size as well. Wow, that's really cool. And it costs €15, and I cannot wait to try this sucker out. I'm actually pretty down on my face scrub. There's still a bit left from the Laura Mercier, which I absolutely adore, but I really needed a new one, so this is just great. Okay, moving on to this from Umami. Ooh, okay. Exclusive Cosmetics. The Woody Lemons Bergamot and Cedar Scented Rich Hand Cream. Okay, I definitely know I'm not going to keep this for myself. Why? Because I have 1,000,001 hand cream already. Is it sealed on the inside? It's actually not, so I can't smell it at least. Oh, actually it is. Yep, it's sealed. It's sealed all right. Okay, so I'm not going to get it out of seal. I'm actually going to give this, again, as an extra Sinterklaas present to my mom. I'm actually going to combine the three together in like one present because, like I said, I have a million hand creams that I need to finish up already, and my mom's hands are always freaking dry. It's just annoying. So I'm going to pass this along to her. Wow, I'm actually not keeping anything in this box. It's not a good box for me. The Umami Rich Hand Cream is a full size and it costs 7 euros. Okay, I'm looking at the booklet and every single thing in here is a full size. That is something that I absolutely adore. So let's move on to something from Lux. Anti-aging sheet mask. Oh, okay, sounds good. Sheet mask, anti-aging, hydrating, natural ingredients, which I love. Direct effect. Oh, you're gonna promise me a direct effect? Oh, we'll be the judge of that. But how to use, cleanse, apply, remove, enjoy. Okay, Swiss Edelweiss extract, if I pronounce that right. It's an antioxidant and DNA protection. Marixil 3000 is an anti-wrinkle thing. Plant stem cells lifting and firming, and sodium hyaluronic, so hyaluronic acid, is moisturizing. Okay, so this is what that sucker looks like. It's pretty interesting from the back. See, I just read like these four. Wow, that is not a straight line. I can't make a straight line. There we go. I just read those 4 ingredients. So that sounds very promising. Cannot wait to try it out. Let's see where it is. It's over here. It's the Lux Anti-Aging Sheet Mask, full size once again, and it costs 12 euros and 95 cents. Okay, we have a couple of more items in here. One is a Merci Handy Oh My Lemon, a hand gel, which basically means a cleansing gel for your hands. This is what that cutie patootie little sucker looks like. Great for travel purposes. And let's smell it. Let's just put on our hands a little bit. Not too much because I'm wearing a ring and I don't want it, you know, to get ruined. So I'm just going to put it on this hand right here and like not touch my ring. Oh, it smells very fresh, like very lemony, but like very good. Oh, I like it a lot. So let's see in the booklet. It's a full size, clearly. The hand gel costs 3 euros. And then we're left with 2 items in here. One is what I'm gonna assume a lip balm. It's from Oriza Beauty. I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. Correct me if I'm wrong, as always. This is what it looks like, and it's probably gonna be I wanted to say a hand balm. Really? I thought that this was going to be a lip balm, but it's actually a lipstick. However, it is a freaking brown lipstick. I know it's fall, but come on, guys. Like, give me like a good burgundy red or fiery red even, or an orange for all I care, but not a freaking brown. Damn it. Okay, so it is the Oriza, still don't know how to pronounce it, Beauty Lipstick Japonica? What the hell? Where is this from? I have no idea. Anyway, it's a full size and it costs 18 euros. That's actually quite a lot for a lipstick. So I love the packaging. I absolutely love it. But it is a freaking brown, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it just yet. I'm on the fence about it because it's brown. I love the packaging, but it's brown. Okay, so let's move on to eyeshadow from Essence. And this is the number 9 Morning Glory. And let's just immediately grab the booklet. It is a full size and it costs 1 euros and 99 cents, and it's not sealed, so I can open it. And I already know, as beautiful as this color is, that I'm not going to keep it for myself. I'm actually going to give this as a present once again for Sinterklaas as well, to my sister. She needs some makeup, okay, and I have way too much, and I'm actually trying to get rid of single eyeshadows, and I'm actually trying to just work with palettes because they're so much easier than single eyeshadows. I so much prefer those. So she's gonna get that. And then the last thing in this box is empty, is from Umami. It's a gift voucher for, with this code, you get a gift with your next purchase. So it says free umami. If you want to use that, then make sure to get a screenshot right here. What is the website? It's right down here. Are you guys able to see that? There we go. That is the website. So if you want to use this voucher, then make sure to use it. Okay guys, that was the box. What do I think about this particular box? I did not like it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Let me come back to y'all because I'm gonna count the products that I'm gonna use or maybe gonna use, because I'm still not sure about the lipstick, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt, right? So let's see out of how many products I got and what I'm gonna use. Okay, so I counted the amount of products over here that I have, and we got 10 items, and I'm gonna use 3 definitely, which is the mask, the scrub, and the little hand sanitizer, and maybe 1, which is the lipstick, still on the fence, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt, right? So I'm gonna use 4 products out of a 10. It's not a good box for me this time. I still really do enjoy it, but the problem I have with, for example, this cleanser is that it's just not for my skin. Had it been for my skin, I would have used it. The toothpaste thing, like I said, not a big fan of Colgate. The mud mask, it just simply doesn't work. The same goes for like the hand cream. Well, not the same. The hand cream and like the cognac sponge thing, I'm gonna pass away as well because I have too many of both of them actually. And the eyeshadow, again, I'm gonna pass along. So I don't like this box, damn it. It was not a 30 bucks well spent. However, I will say with Sinterklaas coming in a couple of months, I actually don't mind it because I have a lot of presents over here for family and friends, and they're gonna enjoy it. So, you know, whatever. It's not the only present clearly they're getting, but I always like to put in extra stuff, especially when it comes to beauty stuff that I don't like. It's brand new. Why the hell wouldn't I give it as a present? This is ridiculous. It's better than throwing it away. So I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next unboxing, I guess. Bye!